Hello everyone and welcome back to another guitar tutorial, and today we're going to be learning about the song Day by Day by Grentperez. So first up, we'd just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. Thank you very much for that. And yeah, let's just begin. So there's only going to be two chords that we're going to be playing for the entirety of this song, which are going to be these two chords right here. Yep, first up is going to be the G sharp major 7 chord. It's going to be like this. That's going to be a 4th fret on the lower E string, dead string on the A string, 5th fret D string, 5th fret G string, 4th fret B string. It's going to be another dead string on the high E string. Then lastly, it's going to be the C sharp major 7 chord. It's going to be this one right here. That's going to be a dead string on the lower E string. That's going to be 4, 6, 5, 6, then another dead string on the high E string. Yep, so we've got the G sharp major 7 chord. I've got the C sharp major 7 chord. Yep, and as for the plucking pattern, it's going to be this one right here. It's going to be like this. Yep, so allow me to demonstrate. It's going to be plucking the bass string, which could either be the lower E string for the G sharp major 7 chord, or the A string when it comes to the C sharp major 7 chord, depending on the root note of the chord that you're playing at the time when it comes to playing this song. So once again, could either be the lower E string or the A string for the bass string. We're going to be using our thumb when it comes to plucking those strings right here, as well as the D, G, and the B strings all together. Then waiting it out for one count, and we're going to be slapping our fretboard. It's going to be bass, D, G, and the B strings together, then slapping it. Yep, bass strings for the thumb, D strings for the index finger, G strings for the middle finger. It's going to be your B string for the ring finger right here. Yep, once again, bass, D, G, B strings together, waiting it out, slapping it, bass, D, G, and B strings together, then slapping it. Yep, it's going to be like that. Yep, and that said, that entire plucking pattern is going to be worked for one whole count for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. And as for the chord progression for the entirety of this song from start to finish, it's going to be these ones right here. This is the first Grentperez song that I've encountered that only uses two chords, because most of them is pretty much just chords everywhere, from like verse, chorus, pre-chorus. They just use different chords and like progressions. So this is a refreshing song from Grentperez, like chord structure wise. So yeah, so first up is going to be the G sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts, which means that we're going to be playing our plucking pattern 4 times. It's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's going to be the C sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're pretty much just repeating that chord progression for a total of 16 repetitions. Then at the very end, we're going to be playing the G sharp major 7 chord to signify the end of the song. I think this song ends with a fade out according to the original audio of the song, but you can't really do that when we're playing this in real time, so we're just going to be doing this. Yep, you can just do a down strum, or do this, or do this, or even like this. It depends on you and your preference when it comes to playing this song. So once again, G sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yep, just like that, from start to finish. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. We can take it day by day. I just wanna get to know you, girl, in every way. Tell me that you wanna take it slow, and that's okay. Day by day with you. And yeah, so that's the end of this guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach you anything else, just comment it down below as well, and I'll try to do it for you. And you'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. Really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other Grentperez guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. So all good, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.